It was close to midnight when Arav woke up to the sound of someone dragging a chair across the old Haveli floor. The noise echoed through the long, empty corridors, followed by a faint tapping, like footsteps moving slowly toward his room. The air smelled of damp wood and dust, and the single lantern flickered as it's struggling to stay alive.
If you've ever wanted to create viral horror videos that get millions of views but have zero knowledge of script writing, voiceover, or editing, don't worry, because today I'll show you exactly how to create a horror video for your new channel that goes viral just using AI. Everything will be done by AI, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your ideas into a complete AI-powered horror masterpiece. Let's begin. So first of all, the work is to decide the topic of the video. For you guys, I've brought a PDF in which prompts are written for everything. Just open it and copy the entire prompt. Then paste it into ChatGPT. After that, ChatGPT will start writing perfect topics for a horror story for you. I found one of the topics quite good. Now, next, go back to that document again. Copy the prompt from the second tab and paste your selected topic into it. ChatGPT will then write a perfect script for you. If the script feels short or has any mistakes, generate it again once more. And remember one thing, always read the entire script once completely so that if there are any mistakes, they can be fixed. If it looks fine to me, I'll finalize it as it is. After this, go back to the PDF again and copy the third prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. After that, ChatGPT will ask you for the script. Just copy the script and give it to it. Now, ChatGPT will divide the entire script into scenes, which will help us create visuals for the video. Next, go back to the document, copy the prompt from step 4, and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will ask you for the script again, just copy and paste it. Then, based on the full script, ChatGPT will create a character prompt for you, which will be used in the next step. After that, ChatGPT will ask you for the scenes. Just copy the scenes you created in step 3 and paste them into ChatGPT. Then, ChatGPT will tell you which scene's image prompt to generate. Just type image 1, and it will give you the image prompt along with the background prompt and scene prompt. The first time, it will only give the scene prompt. After that, it will only give image prompts and background prompts. Now, don't worry, nothing is difficult here. Just first generate all the image and background prompts for every scene like this. Right now, I'm going to fast forward the video speed a bit because I'm just showing the part of generating the images in the same way. So we have received all the prompts. Now, the next step is to generate images using those prompts, for which I will use Whisk AI. Don't worry, it's completely free and unlimited. Just first log in to Whisk AI and its interface will appear in front of you. Now, listen carefully. The first option is subject, where you have to describe the character. The second is scene, where you'll describe the background. And the third is style. I've already provided all three: the character prompt, background prompt, and style prompt. Just copy the character prompt, go to the character tab, and paste it in the text box there. It will create the character for you. If you have more than one character, then copy the second character's prompt and upload it by clicking on the upload icon. In the same way, upload the background prompt and the style prompt as well. Now remember one thing, the style prompt is fixed, never change it, but the background prompt will keep changing depending on the scene. And lastly, copy the image prompt, upload it in the tab, and select your video ratio. For example, I'm making a long video right now, so I'll select that and click generate, and your image will be created. In the same way, paste the second background prompt and image prompt and generate the next image as well. Now again, to save your time, I'm going to fast forward the video speed a bit, but you understand the process. It's just about generating all the images. So now all the images are ready. After the images are created, go back again to our document and copy the last fifth prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. Now it will ask you for image prompts for creating the video. Just paste the image prompts one by one and it will give you the visual prompts. Now, to make the visuals ready, I'll use Meta AI. because it's a free and unlimited image-to-video and text-to-video platform. There are other tools as well, like Grok. If you want to use Grok to make a horror video, I've already made a video with it before. You can check that out. All right then, I'm heading to Masteraihub. Just go to the Masteraihub website and log in. After logging in, click on the plus icon and upload your image. After uploading the image, select video and paste the visual prompt that ChatGPT generated for that image. Then click generate and your video will be ready. In the same way, I'll generate another video to show you. Just click the plus icon, select the image, paste the next prompt, and hit generate. Your video will be ready from that image. Now, again, I'll fast forward the video speed a bit. So the video has been created from all the images. I'll download them one by one, and now let's move on to the next step, voiceover. For voiceover, there are many tools available, like 11 Labs, DupeDub, and others. But personally, I prefer Google's text-to-speech model. So, go to Google AI Studio, select the text-to-speech model, and here, choose how much narration your video has. For example, in my video, there's one narrator. Then, paste your script, choose a voice of your choice, and click Generate. Your voice will be generated in a few moments.
It was close to midnight when Arav woke up to the sound of someone dragging a chair across the old Haveli floor.
So, for the horror video, the voiceover is ready. Both visuals and voice are now complete. Now, the next step is to merge both of them. For that, I'll use CapCut because it's a free tool that comes with a lot of built-in features. You can also use any other editing software if you want. Once you open CapCut, click on Create Video, and the interface will open. Now you'll need to import your visuals and voiceover. To do that, click on Import. Since I've kept everything in one folder, just import the folder so that the work goes faster. Next, select your voiceover and import it onto the timeline. Then add all your visuals as well. If they're not in order, rearrange them properly. You can also try numbering your visuals 1, 2, 3 to make it easier to understand. Once your clips are arranged, match them with the voiceover. Where one dialogue ends, the next visual should start. In this process, if any clip is too long or too short, select the clip and go to speed settings to adjust its speed slower or faster. If a clip is too long, just drag and cut it. Now, again, I'm speeding up the video a bit because we're just arranging the clips right now. Once the clips are arranged, go to Transitions and search for Fade. Drag and drop the fade transition onto your video and click Apply to All to make it faster. If only the fade transition doesn't look good, you can add something else too. I personally always add a blur transition on a few clips along with the fade effect. After this, the next step is sound effects. For that, go to the audio section, then open sound effects and add sound effects according to the voiceover. For example, if the voice says dragging the chair, I'll search for dragging chair and drag that sound effect onto my video. Do the same throughout the video, and wherever it's needed, add sound effects there. After sound effects, the next most important thing is background sound because background sound makes the video engaging, especially for horror videos. So, I'll import the background sound. Don't worry, you can find such sounds easily on YouTube Studio. And if you want a detailed video where I share my own favorite background music and sound pack in detail, then just comment sound pack and I'll make a video for that too. So yes, I've added background music to the video as well. Now, after the background music, do one last thing. Go to Filters, find Saturation, apply that saturation effect to the entire video, and set its value to 40% for a better result. Then, click on Export, give your video a name, select the export location, set the resolution to 1080p, keep the other settings the same, and click Export. And your video will be exported successfully. And that's how you can create your very own viral horror video using just AI. If you tried this method, drop a comment and tell me what story you made. I'd love to see it. And follow me so you never miss a new AI trick that can level up your channel, and I'll see you in the next video.